channel. Today I'm just going to show you quickly what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of February. Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription that runs around $10. So if you're interested, I do have a referral link down below that you're more than welcome to use. So the first item I got is the Meteor Shower by Black. So it is a body scrub, and I believe it has like a little glitter to it. So next in my bag, I have the postcard that it came with, a brush from Luxie, looks like this. It's double, and see if I can get this out. And the number is 249. Looks like that. That's nice. Next, I have Bubble Macaroon Lip Balm. And this is in lemongrass and tea tree. It's cute. Next, I have Estate Doomy Baked Highlight Powder. Okay, and it looks like this. Oh, wow. You guys see that? Let's see if I can do a better swatch. Okay, I swatched it in my hand. It looks like that. That's pretty. Might be too purple for my liking, but that's a pretty highlight. Okay, and the last item I have Bang Beauty, and this is a blush. Looks like that. And it is in the color Cheeky. So let's swatch that. The swatch is right there. That's pretty too. Alright, so that is everything I got for this month's Ipsy bag, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye.